Hey DevOps learners, welcome back to Cloud with Vivek YouTube channel. Today is day 17 of our DevOps English Series 2005. Today we are mastering for Linux command, uptime, whoami, cal and det with all useful options. This is not just a beginner guide. You will walk away with a full reference sheet in your mind. Let's get started. Uptime shows how long the system has been running, how many users are logged in, and the load average. So we can use uptime command to get information that how long the system has been running, how many users are logged in, and the load average. So let's come and see practical. So guys, we have to use sudo, and after that you have to use uptime command. So it will you show all basic information. Okay, so now we will enter. So it is showing that you are up from 5 minutes, one user is active, and 0.02 0.03, this is the what load average. After that, if you want to get information in short format, so you can use uptime hyphen p option. So it will give you in short format. So you can see that it will give you only 5 minutes is your uptime. Next, if you want to get since last reboot information, so you can use uptime hyphen s option. What you can get guys, uptime hyphen s option. So it will tell you that what was your last uptime. Okay, so that is the what since last reboot. After that, second command we have who am I. What is second command guys? Who am I? So who am I simply shows the current logged in username. So if we want to check our current logged in username, so we can use who am I command. What we can do guys, who am I command. So it will show you that you are the EC2 hyphen user current user. After that, next one command we have cal command. What is next command? We have cal command. So basically cal command is used to display a calendar. By default it shows the current month calendar. Okay, so if you will run cal command, so it will show you this is what August 2025 and today is 11 of August. After that, if you want to get calendar for a specific year, so you can use cal 2025 or 26. So like I want to get for 2026, so it will show you complete year of 2026. After that, if you want to get calendar for any specific month and year, so like I want to get for August month, so 8 2026. So you can see that August 2026, this is the calendar. After that, if you want to get calendar for previous, current and next month, so you can use simply cal hyphen 3. It will show you previous, current and next month. So you can say previous month was July, current month is August, next month is September. So this is the way. After that, week start on Monday. So you can also get that which week start on Monday. So cal hyphen m. So it will show you that which week start from Monday. Okay. So this is the way. After that, number of months to display. So you can use cal hyphen n and then 6. So it will show you that 6 months. Okay, so remaining like August, September, October, November, December, January. So it will show you 6 number of month calendar. So this is the way how you can use. Next is what date command. What is guys, next command we have date command. So basically date command is used to get date and time about system. So we want to get date and time. So it is showing that Monday August of 11, time is 17:09:04 UTC time zone 2025. After that, if you want to get your time like UTC time zone, so you can give date and hyphen u. So it will give you UTC time date. Okay, so by default it is UTC, that's why it is way. Okay, after that, if you want to set your date, so you can set your date using date hyphen s. Okay, so date hyphen s, and after that like I will tell you 2025 August, and today is 12. Okay, and after that, what is the time right now? So I said that 10:39. What? 10:39. So this is the way. So you can use proper format. Okay, colon 00. now. Okay, so what it is, I can't say date operation not permitted. Okay, so we have to use sudo command. Okay, so now you can see that time is set. Okay, now if you will use date command, so you can see that time is 10:39. So I hope it will be clear for you. After that, if you want to convert any time to date, so you can do this one. Okay, so this was the our basic command. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. We will meet on next video, so keep continue watching my YouTube channel, as well as like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel with your LinkedIn family and your Facebook members. So have a good night to all of you. We will meet on next video. Thank you. Have a good day.